Welcome back to No Recipes. I'm Mark Matsumoto, and this is the segment where I show you a useful kitchen technique in under 2 minutes. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make the perfect poached eggs every time. The only ingredient I use to make my poached eggs are very fresh eggs. When eggs are fresh, the white is a firm gel that surrounds the yolk. As it ages, the white gets liquidy, which creates that dreaded wispy fluff. This is the first mistake that a lot of people make. By breaking the eggs into a wire mesh sieve, you can get rid of some of the liquidy bits, but it's still best to use the freshest eggs that you can find. The second mistake a lot of people make is to break the eggs straight into boiling water. As the eggs plunge into the water, the turbulence causes the egg whites to feather out. Using small round bottom bowls like this helps you gently lower them into the water. The third mistake is to poach the eggs in boiling water. Don't get me wrong, you want the water to be as hot as possible so the eggs set quickly, but you don't want it to be bubbling like this. That's why I first bring the water to a boil in a heavy bottomed pot, and then I lower the heat until the water is almost still. Then I slowly lower each bowl into the water so the lip of the bowl touches the bottom of the pot, and the egg gently slides out without disturbing the egg whites. By the way, I've thrown in one old egg into this batch to prove my earlier point. Any guess which one it is? Although I've strained this egg as well, you can see that this one is much flatter than the others, and the yolk isn't cocooned in the egg white. Now we just need to let these poach until they reach your desired level of doneness. I like to let mine go for 3 minutes, which gives you a tender, fully cooked egg white with a rich molten center. But if you like your eggs more well done, you can let them poach for another minute or two. You can always test them by lifting them out of the water and gently poking the yolk with your finger to see how firm it is. When the eggs are done, just lift them out of the water using a slotted spoon. If you find the eggs attached itself to the bottom of the pan, use a spatula to free it up. I like serving my poached eggs over buttered English muffins for breakfast, but poached eggs are fantastic on everything from pasta to curry to asparagus. After we've buttered the toast, we're just gonna gently set an egg on here. Let's hit that with a little salt and pepper, and just look at that perfect poached egg. Doesn't it make you want to poke it with a fork? Okay, enough with the teasing. Let's have a look at that yolk. Oh yeah! Now that's a poached egg. Alright, let's see that from a different angle. Any minds blown yet? Let's go in for a close-up. Oh, now that's just obscene. Game-changing, right? And I bet you've got at least a few friends that could benefit from this technique, so don't keep this video a secret. I've got some more 2-minute techniques coming your way, so hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss out. Alright, now that you're an expert in poaching eggs, get in that kitchen and poach some perfect eggs.
Check us out on Instagram at No Recipes.